All right, so here it is. We're gonna install the bullet brake. We're gonna go into a size 13. I'm on the 2013 F6B. Before we take off this bolt, you are going to put a towel here, especially if you have custom paint, because that thing, the oil, the brake fluid will definitely eat away on your paint. Okay, so now in the bullet brake, it comes with a few things. It comes with these little washers, 2 washers, one in the front, one in the rear. And then it comes with the bullet brake itself. This is the all black. You're gonna take the washer, you're gonna put it in the front, bring that one all the way up to the top, just like that, okay? Then we're gonna take a 13 socket and we're gonna loosen this up. We're gonna take this all the way out. Yours might be a little tighter. Mine I already had loosened it up already, so that's why it came out so much more easier. You're gonna get a little bit of fluid. That's why you need the the towel to protect it. In this case, I didn't get a whole lot of fluid that came out. So we're gonna push this bullet brake in, and then I'm gonna take this other washer, put it there, put this back in its spot, and we are going to screw this in. Now you're gonna need to have a wrench. There we go. So I'm gonna take a size 13 millimeter wrench, and we're gonna snug this in. You wanna go to where it's snug. So take your time and don't go fast or don't go hard. Just feel it. Just feel where it feels nice and tight. You don't want to thread it. So notice I'm going slow. That feels good. Now, you're not gonna have any pressure here at all. So I like to pump this a little bit. And then we're gonna build back up this brake. It's a little stiff. And don't panic about it, just keep on squeezing. You're gonna feel the pressure starting to come up. See, now it's getting some pressure. And the bullet brake, what I like about this thing, it really does work. Now when you're on a hill or something like that and you want to hill assist, maybe you wanna do something and you have to let your hands off that brake, the bullet brake is perfect for that. Just keep on pumping. See how it snaps up a bit more? That's what you want. But I'm gonna keep on going because I want more pressure build. There we go. Beautiful. Now, how do you use the bullet brake? The bullet brake is pretty simple to use. When you are moving, when you roll the bike, okay? The bullet brake is going to play the second brake if you have a DCT type motorcycle. So right now, I can roll the bike. See, if I hit the brakes, it stops the bike. But what happens is you want to pull the brake in, push the bullet brake in, let go. That's it. And then the bike won't go anywhere. But now, when you want to release the bullet brake, just simply press it, and the bullet brake does that. Okay, so look, I have the bike in neutral, and I can roll the bike back and forth, okay? Now, when I activate the bullet brake, no matter what I do, I can't move the bike. Only thing activating is the suspension. That's it. I press it, and then here you go. Rolling the bike. Bullet brake, game changer, okay? It's that easy. Let's go.